Hello friends, Google announced Google Experience page is all set to launch in May 2021. Let us know what Google has announced on its official page on 19 April 2021. This is the Google's search central official page. Google is saying more time, tool and detail on page experience update. Now table of content. For more information, you can visit the link inserted in the description box. From the link, you will be able to read in detail. Last November, we announced that the page experience ranking change will go live on Google search this year in what we are calling the page experience update to help publishers and site owners improve their page experience and prepare today. We are announcing a few key updates. These are the main points. For more information, you can visit the link inserted in the description box. From the link, you will be able to read in detail. Google is saying gradual rollout starting in May will begin using page experience as part of our ranking systems beginning in mid-June 2021. However, page experience won't play its full role as part of those systems until the end of August. You can think of it as if you are adding a flavoring to a food or preparing rather than add the flavor at T. We will be slowly adding it all over this time period. As we have said before, while this update is designed to highlight pages that offer great user experience, page experience remains one of many factors our system take into account. Given these sites generally should not expect drastic changes in additional, because we are doing this as a gradual rollout. We will be able to monitor for any unaccepted or unintended issues. Google saying we hope that this adjusted rollout schedule will help you continue to make refinement to your website with page experience in mind. Ahead of this change, we have been gathering feedback to ensure that we are providing helpful guidance and answering questions that these owners may have about how to improve page experience for their users. Detail on what will be included in the updates. As previously announced, the page experience update will consider several page experience signals, include the three core web vitals metrics, LGP, FID, and CLS, as well as Chrome recent fix to CLS. In addition, the top stories carousel features on Google search will be updated to include all news content as long as it meets the Google News policies. This means that using the AMP format is no longer required, and that any type, irrespective of its core web vitals score or page experience status, will be eligible to appear in the top stories carousel. We are also bringing similar updates to the Google News app, a key destination for users around the world to get a comprehensive view of the important news of the day. As part of the page experience update, we are expanding the uses of non-AMP content to power the core experience on news.google.com and the Google News app. Additionally, we no longer show the AMP icon to indicate AMP content. You can accept this change to come to our products as the page experience update begins to roll out in mid-June. We will continue to test other ways to help identify content. We will keep you updated when there is more to share. If you are looking for more detail, take a look at the core web vitals and page experience FAQs that we published on the Search Central forums recently. If you are an AMP publisher, the AMP team has built on AMP page experience guide that offers tailored advice on how to make you AMP pages perform at their best. A new page experience report in Search Console to provide you with more actionable insights. We are introducing the page experience report. The report combines the exciting core web vitals report with other components of the page experience signals such as HTTPS security interstitials. The page experience report offers valuable metrics such as the percentage of URLs with good page experience and search impression over time, enabling you to quickly evaluate performance. You can also dig into the components of page experience signal to gain additional insights on opportunities for improvement. In addition to launching the page experience report, we have also updated the search performance report to allow you to filter pages with good page experience, which helps you keep track of how these pages compare to other pages of the same site. Support for signed exchanges for all content of Google search. Today we are also announcing the general availability of signed exchange SXG on Google search for all web pages. Google search previously only supported SXG, but with the AMP framework, SXG allows Google search to leverage the privacy preserving prefetching technique in compatible browsers, which can lead to improved page experience. This technique enables Google search to load key resources of page HTML, JavaScript, CSS ahead of navigation, which makes it possible for the browser to display pages faster. Note the use of SXG is not a requirement for page experience benefits, and you can consider the technology as one of the options for improving your page experience. Nikkei, a large publication based in Japan, has been testing SXG on Nikkei style and saw a 300 ms reductions in largest contentful paint LCP. They also saw 12% more user engagement and an improvement of 9% in page views per session on Android Chrome, where this test was implemented to implement SXG on their INX SXG module, an open source extension for and GINX servers. For more information on SXG tooling, see Signed Exchange. For instruction of the setting up SXG, see how to set up signed exchanges using web package. For more information, you can visit the link inserted in description box. Building a better web together. Our vision for Page Experience is to build a web ecosystem that users love. Together, we are hard at work to make sure that you have the right tools and resources available before the ranking rollout starting in mid June 2021. We hope the updates that we share today will make it easier for you to build great website. If you have questions or feedback, please visit our help form. Check out the FAQs that we published recently, or let us know through. Thank you, friends. What you think about the changes? Please give your opinion in the comment section. Thank you, guys.